If you want to take up less room in your suitcase and fold up your t-shirts into a nice neat little package like this, then keep watching. Welcome to Things to Know. Please like and subscribe. Okay, first of all, this shirt is turned inside out so we can't see any of the logos. But what we need to do is just flatten it out a little bit before we start folding and get rid of some of the creases. And then we fold the bottom up like this, just a couple of inches. And so first of all, we take the left hand side of the t-shirt and fold it in towards the centre about this far. Then we move the arm back like this. Then we fold the right hand side over the top and move that arm back. And then we turn the shirt around so we've got the neck end facing us, and then we do a very tight roll all the way up until we get to the top. Okay, so now we've reached the folded part at the top, but if we look behind, we need the back part of this folding part, and we pull that forward over around the top, the very top there. And then we go to the other side and do exactly the same with the other side. Fold it right over the end of the rolled part. And there we have a t-shirt folded into a neat little package. And it's sure to save more space wherever we now put these. And so there we go, I've rolled up 2 t-shirts here and they're sitting there in my suitcase, not taking up too much space. A lot better. You could even tuck them away in a pocket. So thank you for watching this video, and if you found it useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.